So you want to know how to make consistent characters? Stick around. Hey guys! So consistent character sometimes can either be difficult or so easy, depending upon the tools you are using. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a consistent character with Dzine. And trust me, this tool is very accurate. So no hanging around, let's get into this. First, we need to generate our character's reference images. As to train a consistent character, we need 5 images or more. So click AI Tools, then Text to Image. Now set your model to Nano Banana Pro, and we are going to type into the prompt, a 27-year-old streamer. She is female and has long blonde hair, her eyes are brown, and she is wearing a black tube top with white accents. She is sitting in front of a gaming PC in a modern room with a microphone and podcast setup. We will keep the output quality at 2K, and then let's set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then we are going to click Generate. Okay, there she is. This is awesome and exactly what we asked for. Her hair is blonde, it has all the aesthetics we typed into our prompt, and it looks clean, guys. Perfect, let's download this image. Now, if we click the plus up next to model, we can set a style, and we are going to use this image as our style. So click Quick Style and upload your image. Now, in the prompt, I'm going to type model shot. Going to turn on face match and also upload our image into here. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Let's add more to the prompt. I'm going to type model shot and head and shoulder shot from the front. Then I'm going to hit generate. And whilst this generates, I'm going to edit the prompt to model shot full body and click generate again. Then I'm going to edit the prompt again and type model shot side profile. Then click generate. Now we need to download all of these, as we are going to use these for our character creation. Okay, perfect. We have our images. Let's now build our character. So click on character, then build your character. Now click training mode, and then click start with images. Now, we are going to call her Elisa. Then we are going to upload all the images we just generated. Then we are going to hit Start Training. Now this can take up to 20 minutes, but most of the time it is a lot faster, depending on the amount of images you upload, as you are able to add up to 30 images to train your character. So take a beat, and whilst you wait for your character to generate, why not join my Discord and get involved with the community? It's a bit quiet in there, but all it takes is some people to start talking. Okay, and now our character is ready. Let's click this Start Image Generation. Then I'm going to type into the prompt, she is leaning against a wall in a busy city. It is raining, and she is soaking wet head to toe. Her hair is soaking wet as she is looking into the camera. There is no one around, and the rain is heavy. Now, on camera, I'm going to set this as an upper body shot, so we can really get the details of the consistency in her facial features. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and then we are going to choose HQ for high quality, and click Generate. Wow, okay, very consistent. And I have to admit, she is beautiful. Okay, back on track. So, her hair is not wet like we asked. That's obvious. But with Dzine's image editor, we can fix this. So I'm going to select the image and click the number 2 next to the section Image Editor, as I would like to edit image 2. Okay, now I'm going to type into the prompt, make her hair soaking wet and dripping wet, along with rain on her body and her clothing wet. Then we click Generate. Okay, wow, that's more like it. You see, with design there, character creation, I have to say, is very powerful and extremely consistent. Just take a look at these images of our character we created in different scenarios. Honestly, this tool is incredible, and their prices are not expensive, and they are very generous with their plans. So, if you're interested in creating your own, then click my link in the description below and sign up for an account. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There will be many more tutorials on design coming soon. But hey, if you made it to the end, then why not drop a comment and let me know what you want to see next. If you're new here, then welcome. I'm Sky. I create everything and anything AI. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I'm almost at 3,000 subscribers, which honestly, if you told me this last year that is where I would be today, I wouldn't believe you. But you all made this happen, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I love you all, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.